My name's Christian, and I'm here to talk about Newton's laws. The laws we all know and love that create the foundation of modern physics. And to do this, I will use the example of a watermelon being smashed on someone's head. Now this is an example of Newton's second and third laws. Newton's second law states that force is equal to mass times acceleration. The mass of the watermelon is about 5 pounds, and the acceleration changes during the different stages of this action. At first, the acceleration is increasing as the watermelon is being thrown. However, once the watermelon hits the person's head, the acceleration quickly reduces. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the person's head exerts an equal and opposite force on the watermelon. Now, why does one of them break at all, you may ask? Well, this is due to the fact that the structure of the watermelon is much more fragile than the person's head, causing it to break. Now, momentum is only conserved when fragility of the object is not taken into account. Now you may be saying, why doesn't this cause serious injuries for the person? Well, maybe it does, and I don't know. But in theory it shouldn't, due to some more physics. Once the outer shell of the watermelon is broken, the acceleration decreases over a longer period because of the squishy inside of the watermelon. Also, the mass decreases because the watermelon is breaking apart as it's continuing to hit the person's head. So this results in an overall smaller force being exerted on the person, resulting in them not being afflicted by any injuries. Now, if the watermelon had been thrown softer, then the initial force would have been exerted over a longer period of time, and the watermelon would not break and would just transfer the force directly to the person's head and maybe cause some head injuries. So that's why it's important whenever you're trying to smash a watermelon on your friend's head, throw it as hard as possible. Simply physics.